Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we will be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So first up, it looks like someone is making some type of wooden project here. Maybe like some type of lantern. Those are huge lanterns if they are. Oh, wow. This feels like so whimsical and magical. She used the fairy lights and then like the ivy to kind of tie everything together. These are beautiful, very unique piece as well. And like I said, I've never seen lanterns this tall before. Very interesting. Oh, you know what? It's actually just one and the mirror is reflecting it. I thought it was two at first. That's pretty funny. I could have swore I saw her making two of those. Okay, so moving on. It looks like someone is doing a candle here. Oh, she's got the wax beads. I feel like candle making would actually be like therapeutic. Like it just looks so relaxing and rewarding, making your own scents with like the essential oils and stuff. I gotta get into this. And she's got the lemons going for the decor there on the side. Just looks like such a nice, inviting space. So next up, we have some wooden pieces here. Looks like she's gluing them around the perimeter. I love her nail polish color, the bright yellow. Oh, and then she's got pink on the other side. Okay, that's cute. Oh, she's got like pink and yellow all on one hand. I'm sorry, I am totally distracted by her nails. So she did a framework here. Wow. Okay, that's a like way cheaper way to do framing for a piece, especially if you designed it yourself. You can buy like the little wooden Jenga pieces or the knockoff Jenga pieces from like the dollar store and do like your own framing. That'd be a really cool project and it would save you a lot of money because framing can actually be pretty expensive. Wow, that looks amazing. I love the simplicity of that piece as well. I don't know if she made that, the artwork piece, and then framed it. All right, so now we're at the dollar store. We have some mirrors here. So we have some wooden pieces. They're not actual real wood, but you know, we'll take it. And then we're at Home Depot, buying some actual wood. Going in with the wood glue. So she's putting the mirrors that she got from the dollar store along the piece of wood that she got from Home Depot. Kind of doing like sections. Oh, it's a beautiful strip of gems there. Wonder where she got that. That's really pretty. Oh, this is so cute. So she made like a little mirror for your your makeup, your beauty room. Oh my goodness, I am in love. That is so cute. A piece like this would probably be like $100 if you were to buy it without, you know, obviously making it yourself. Wow. This looks so high-end and beautiful. She did an amazing job. Oh, wow. Okay. Weekend project idea because, yes, that is just too cute. I wonder if she made like the little stand for the perfume and stuff to herself. This is just so glamorous and fun. Perfect if you like glam style decor, which I do. All right, so next up we have someone, looks like they have some bookends here. And they're using the contact paper like a beautiful marble to decorate. So this is a simple project idea. So with this project in particular, you just have to take your time with that contact paper, otherwise it's not gonna come out right. You wanna smooth it on and make sure it just glides on with ease. You don't want any lumps and bumps and, you know, for it to be looking messed up. But that's cute, it actually looks like marble. She's got like a neutral theme going on here. Definitely my vibe, my style. I like a mixture of like glam pieces, like with the black and the gold, and then I like a little bit more like a neutral theme. So this is a cat litter box, and obviously she decorated this. No idea how she made this, but this is such a cute litter box. And the overall concept of this is that she turned this litter box into a side table. So she's got the little pieces going there on the top. So you know how like you enter in someone's house and you see the litter box just sitting there in the corner and it's like, ooh, it's like super awkward. So I think that this is a really cool idea, like decorating it and making it look like a little table. The only thing though is you kind of have to wonder if the cat is going in and out of this thing, like how gentle are they being? Because they can easily knock over the stuff on the top. Just saying. It's cute though, like aesthetically it's cute, but I'm just wondering how functional this would actually be now that I'm like thinking about it. But it's super, super cute. If you were to do this, I think maybe if you put like really light, like right now, you know, you guys know I have a toddler and they get into everything. So I have like light decor that I know he can't hurt himself with. So maybe you can like decorate the top with stuff that, you know, is very light and it wouldn't get damaged or broken if he's going in and out that cat litter box. All right, so moving on to the next project. We have a candle holder here and they just pretty much spray painted that. That's like the easiest project idea ever. Unless you're buying like something that's already pre-painted and you just glue it together. But yeah, very easy, simple concept. All right, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out these DIY project ideas with me and hearing my honest reactions. If you guys did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.